Narasimha Jayanti, lit. Victory of Narasimha, is a Hindu festival that is celebrated on the 14th day of the Hindu month of Vaishakha, April-May. Hindus regard this as the day the deity Vishnu assumed his fourth avatar in the form of a man-lion, known as Narasimha, to vanquish the oppressive Asura king Hiranyakashipu and protect his devotee Prahlada. The legend of Narasimha represents the victory of knowledge over ignorance and the protection offered by God to his devotees. Narasimha. In Hindu mythology, Hiranyakashipu was the first incarnation of Jaya, one of the two doorkeepers of Vishnu's abode of Vaikuntha. After being cursed by the four Kumaras, along with his brother, Vijaya, he chose to be born as an enemy of Vishnu thrice, rather than as a devotee of the deity 7 times. After the death of his brother, Hiranyaksha, at the hands of Varaha, the third avatar of Vishnu, Hiranyakashipu swore revenge. The king performed a severe penance to propitiate the creator deity, Brahma, until the latter appeared to grant him a boon. The Asura desired the inability to be slain neither inside his house nor outside, by day nor night, by any weapon, neither on the ground nor in the sky, by neither men nor beasts, Deva nor Asura, nor any being created by Brahma. He also asked for rulership of all living beings in the 3 worlds. His wish granted, Hiranyakashipu overran the 3 worlds with his invincibility and his forces, seizing the throne of Indra in Swarga, and subjugating all beings, except the Trimurti, under his rule. Hiranyakashipu's son, Prahlada, grew devoted to Vishnu, due to spending his childhood at Narada's ashrama. Angered that his son prayed to his sworn enemy, Hiranyakashipu attempted to indoctrinate him under various teachers, including Shukra, but to no avail. The king determined that such a son must die. He employed poison, snakes, elephants, fire, and warriors to slay Prahlada, but the boy was saved by praying to Vishnu on each attempt. When the royal priests attempted to indoctrinate the prince once more, he converted the other pupils to Vaishnavism. The priests created a Trishula, trident, to murder the boy. But it slew them instead, after which Prahlada restored them to life. Shambharasura and Vayu were tasked with killing him, but failed. Finally, the Asura had his son tied to nooses of snakes, and hurled into the ocean, with mountains launched to crush him. Prahlada remained unscathed. Frustrated, Hiranyakashipu demanded to know where Vishnu resided, and Prahlada responded that he was omnipresent. He asked his son if Vishnu lived in a pillar of his chamber, and the latter affirmed in response. Furious, the king smashed the pillar with his mace, whence Narasimha, part man, part lion, appeared before him. The avatara dragged Hiranyakashipu to the doorway of the palace.